Musaf at mali kung hindi wasto.
What does it mean in English? You know?
Right?
Oh,
He?
right what?
Tama.
Tama. On the blank.
On the blank
If
page.
the what?
If the answer is wrong,
Oh, you right?
he writes mali.
Very good.
If it's not wrong.
Yeah.
If it's not right.
Okay. So read number 1.
Tugulin ng mag-araw ng pumasok ay
Sa?
paaralan sa taktang oras.
Oh.
What's me?
Kapitan lahat, no?
Igalang ang mga guro at mga na
Mhm.
no sa paaralan.
Oh, it take to
Igalang.
understand. Igalang ang mga
Respect.
guro at mga namumuno.
Respect
Yeah.
older people.
Yeah,
Oh,
respect
galing
the principal, the teachers, and even the guard, security guard in school.
Do you respect them?
Your
Do we need-
family.
Oh, you feel no in school.
Do we need to respect them, Sid? Okay. Number.
Ang wastong paggamit ng mga kagamitan sa paaralan ay isang tukulin.
Okay, ang wastong paggamit ng mga kagamitan sa paaralan ay isang tungkulin. Do you need to take care of like your things in school
Yes.
to do it properly, like arranging your chairs, your tables properly? Tama.
Put tamas.
Oo. Hanggang next page ba? Hanggang 10.
Magpaalam sa guro kapag labas ng silid-aralan.
Okay, bye-bye.
Do you need to ask permission to teacher when you're gonna go home?
Yeah. Shall we
Yes.
say
Say
paalam?
goodbye.
Is it right?
Yes.
Is it? Yeah, it's tama.
Go, right tama.
Do you do that in school before you go to
Yes.
before
You go
going
home?
So bye teacher Carmela.
Makisama ang at makikipagkapwa sa mga klase.
Kaklase, your class.
To socialize with your classmates and be friends.
And
Like-
cooperate.
like Zoe?
Be cooperative.
Yeah.
Tama?
Tama.
Okay.
Makipag
Nakikita.
unahan sa pagpili sa kantin.
Hoy,
Uy,
me first.
rushing to buy in canteen
Yeah,
and not falling in line. Was that tama mali?
Mali.
Okay, very good.
What is makipag unahan?
Rush.
First.
Like
You say me first, like
You wanna
that.
be on the first line.
mali.
Very good.
Itapon sa tama lalagayan ang basura.
Tama.
You have to throw the trash in the right bin.
Okay.
Tama, mali.
Tama.
Very good again.
Tama.
Galing naman ni Sid talaga. Oh.
Tukon na mag-araw araw ng laro mo na bago gawing ang tagdang
Huh?
aralin.
Aralin.
Is it right that you play first before you do your assignment, or do assignment first before you play?
Do assignment.
Oh. So that's
You won't be You.
No, I'm asking you, is it tama or mali? Playing before doing your assignment.
Is it tama o mali?
Tama?
Mali.
Play first?
Please.
Sit. You need to play first? Mali. Wala na.
Yes.
Nagulat pa siya.
Yay!
Are you done?
Is that page 70 already?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Sid.